We bought this Airhawk seat about 10 years ago. My friends brought it back from Daytona in America for us. We got it out this year, and the valve, when we tried, there's a little valve you just adjust, let the air in, let the air out. The joint between it and the basic pipe here, the pipe was fine, the seat's fine, everything's fine, the container it's in is fine, but the valve had virtually broken up. I have no idea why. So I thought, I've got £150 worth of Airhawk seat just trashed. And then I came up with a brainwave. I thought to myself, well, if I could get some pipe, some neoprene or whatever pipe, the correct diameter for this, I could put, if I could get some sort of valve in, and I came up with this. Well, this is available from any tyre shop. They fit them every time you put a new tyre on. And so I cut it off and put it into the pipe, this end, and glued it. Now, the thing you've got to get is this Black Witch neoprene adhesive. This comes from diving shops. They use it to fix their so wetsuits or whatever. Absolutely fantastic glue. I just happened to be in a diving shop and saw it and realised this is a solution to my problem. So there you go, get the correct size pipe hose from like a hydraulic shop or something like that. I think Viton is best. I think it's either 5/16 of an inch or greater, 8mm internal diameter. Yeah, well actually it might be 3/8, could be 3/8 as well, but that's quite a tight fit. So just cut this off, make a sort of bevel on the end with a Stanley knife, and get this all nice and wet with glue on the inside, slide it in. Hey presto, for about, these things cost about 1p. The glue, I don't know, £8 or £9, something like that, and £150 seat repaired for that price. Hope that helps.